Up until now, when you have work, you have employees that you hire. Now we're moving towards the future where we have cloud employees or AI agents to handle our work. And the beauty of it is that it's easily scalable to multiple AI agents. Warmwind, the sponsor of this video, is a key player in this area, so let's see it in action. So everything you're about to see here is autonomously controlled by the AI agent. This is all operated within the Warmwind OS. So the very first step, the user instructs the AI agent what to do and it'll take off. Again, all of these steps that you see here is happening autonomously. The AI agent just goes into your email, opens it up, reads it, figures out how to respond to it, and replies for you. Not only that, but you could tell it to do all sorts of applications, which we will cover more deeply later on. Just imagine how many of these AI agents could be running in parallel, saving you lots of time. So we just saw a live demo of Warmwind. It's one of the first cloud employees out there that can actually use all of your apps for you. So what makes Warmwind unique is, for one, it works like a human using the mouse and keyboard. You can see and interact with the actual application. And second of all, you don't need to be a developer. As you saw earlier, all we did was give it a prompt and it'll just start working for you. So unlike things like Claude and OpenAI, you don't actually need to use any coding because all of that is taken care of for you. You just need to know your natural language like English. So up until now, you might be wondering, okay, so what else can Warmwind do? So let's go through some examples. It could become a social media growth manager for you. It could do customer support. It could also handle proactive competition monitoring. It could be a recruiting assistant. It could be accounting and invoice management. It could also be a website and product monitoring. It could also be used for innovation scout. Pretty much the use cases are endless, and we're going to see some of these demos live. Real quick, I just want to mention, if you're new to robotics and AI in general and you want to learn more, I have a lot of resources where I teach ROS, OpenCV, computer vision using AI, and some Python and C++ fundamentals. So go ahead and check it out at my website.
So the first thing we want to show you is a basic customer support task. So it got an email account, and every time when it gets an email, it's supposed to respond to the customer by looking up the order informations in the Shopify app, and that's what you can see right now. So it's basically searching for the order, and then it's opening the details and is looking through the order history, and then it finds basically no tracking number, but it can give him a small estimation. So it basically answers to the email and gives him a predicted order date. So the second task we want to show off is a task we use actually internally. So it's supposed to go through LinkedIn accounts and try to hire people. So basically an HR agent. And what we're told it to do is basically to create a spreadsheet and do a reporting on what it has done. So what you can see now is that it created a spreadsheet and is creating a basic layout, and now it's opening LinkedIn and it's going through our search terms and is clicking one by one onto people and is asking them if they would be interested in working with us. And now you can see that it's going back to its spreadsheet and it's entering all the information. So we have a reporting at the end of the task so we can see what it has done or not. And the last use case is maybe the most boring one, but at the same time, it's the most exciting one. What we can see here is a very old and clunky German software, which is used to manage rental apartments. And at the same time, it's so cool because normally this would take about 1,000 work hours from a human, and it's just not worth the time to put into. And there's just no other way to automate this because the software doesn't have any import or export workflows. And as you can imagine, there are a lot of businesses out there which are still relying on this kind of software. And for the first time now, they can automate their tasks even if they're using quite old legacy applications.
So another really cool feature is what's called the teach mode, where you can actually teach the AI exactly how you want a certain task to be done. Let me show you how.
You just click down here, and now the AI is listening to you and it's watching your clicks and your cursor. So you can, right now it's listening to me, you can see it down there, and I just start telling it, okay, whenever it's 8 a.m., you go here and you search for weather in Berlin. This will come up, but please don't use this. I always want the weather for my favorite forecast, and I want this one. So please scroll down and click here. And now search for the current weather of today, and always also look at the weather of tomorrow. When you have done that, Then go into your emails and send me the email. And that's it.
All right, so hopefully you got a good overview of what Warmwind is and exactly how you could use it to automate your workflow. So if you want to check it out, make sure to join their waitlist here, and then hopefully you could get a chance to try it out for yourself.